Have you ever seen a picture of a pattern and right away said, I'd wear that? Not just I want that, but I'd wear that. When I saw the coral cardigan from Berroco, that was the first thing that came to my mind. The style and the fit sold me right away. Add in the texture and color choices of the Isola yarn, this cardigan was calling to me. You have to make me. Join me, Jenny Fish, in the Coral Cardigan Knit Along as I go over all the techniques you need to know to knit it. Using Berroco Isola, we will knit up this beauty in no time. I'll show you how the simple construction of this pattern makes knitting this cardigan a breeze. We'll cast on, work the edging and color changes, shaping for the shoulders, sleeve construction and seaming, and as always, we'll talk about blocking and care. Visit onebighappy.com to pick up a kit with the yarn and pattern book. Happy knitting!